Hey guys, Tash here from MMT. Got Ninja here with me, and I wanted to do some neck work on Ninja today. He mentioned his right side is feeling a little bit. What is it feeling, Ninja?
Just a little bit tight, and just sense that it's a bit less movement on that right hand side. I feel a stretch through here. So yeah, that's it. I've got a bit of between the shoulder blades a little bit too from probably doing pull-ups, a bit of stretch, things like that.
Yeah, so stress can build up in these areas, so it's a pretty common area for people to come in and need treatment on. So that's why I like working on this area a lot, because I feel like I do it a lot, so I think I'm getting better and better at it because just more experience, more practice in that area. So do you want to go through a bit of movement, Ninj? We'll see if there's any restriction one side to the other. Do you feel more of a pull there, or?
Yeah, it's a pull. Just here.
Yep.
So yeah, it's not on the left side, but it's on that right, just through here.
Yeah, so. And even when you look down towards your hip and
bending over. Yeah, going right over like that. I can really feel it in here.
Yep, and these are movements we always need to do. You know, we're using our head and our neck and rotating, and you know, when you're driving, you're doing your head checks, everything. Like your head's obviously probably one of the most important parts of your body. So we want to be able to turn, move freely, smooth, not restricted. Yeah. Cool. How about looking down, straight down? Any pulls through there?
No, that feels good. That's fine.
Yep,
Back's pretty good. Maybe a little bit of compression, but not too bad. It's more that one.
Yeah.
I can really feel it.
Yeah. What about turning towards your left and your rights as well?
Feel a little bit there.
Yeah.
Not as bad as when I really can try and stretch that.
Yeah, that's the most. Okay, well we can retest that one afterwards.
Yep. Okay.
That'd be a good one to jump down.
Top
Lie
one.
down. Yep, sure. Alright, let's have a look. I usually start off going down with our opening stroke. Sorry if there's a little fresh, Ninja.
It's cool. I'm a little bit sweaty.
That's alright.
Cool me down.
Yeah, perfect. So I just want to get through a bit of the spine here, because freeing up, still the neck is still, the cervical spine is still part of the rest, the rest of the spine. So you don't want to just go through the neck and that upper section. I still want to get into this upper spine as well. So it's just a nice opening stroke. Get the body adjusting to the pressure. Yeah. How's it feel?
Feels good.
Is it alright?
Feels connected. Yeah.
Cool.
Each time I feel you going over like a rib, spinous process, transverse process. It feels like it's therapeutic.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm receiving it, giving consent.
Exactly.
So yeah, it feels good. Good pace. You can just tell.
Perfect. Yeah, you don't want to rush this, especially the beginning. You're really just introducing the body to the treatment. Getting it ready for the deeper strokes to come. Yeah, good, Ninja.
Good.
So I'll probably just sink out around here. So I can do another deeper one with my elbow in this area. Just collect that slack up there. Following the same line here. And I'm just trying to sink in a bit further before I begin this stroke.
It's good.
So a lot of the restriction that Ninja's having can still be coming from these lower vertebrae in the spine, especially when he's looking down towards that opposite hip. Yeah, so we're just trying to sink and get in. Got to put a bit more pressure in here. Ninja isn't the smallest bloke going around, so
bloody huge.
All that lifting, bit of muscle bulk in there. Yeah.
Strong like bull.
Awesome. Still feeling alright?
Good, yeah, you're on the right, good road down there.
On
good
the track?
pathway. Yeah, good track.
Don't want to go off track.
That's it.
Gonna stay along the train tracks.
Yeah.
Stay connected. Using my body to really put that force into the back there. Tracing along, hitting so many different muscles through that area. Alright, so just for the sake of it, I'll just sink out a bit and, sorry, an inch.
No, it's good.
Right, just get us onto the neck so I can see a bit of what we'll do up here. So I like to start off again along the spine, but coming up this time. So still going over a bit of that spot that we started on, so we're not missing any parts. Sinking in, using my thumb this time because it's a bit of a smaller, more delicate area as we get into the cervical spine, and I'm just tracing along. It's good because, you know, thumbs even more what's the word, palpable, like you can just feel, you know, even more through your fingertips and your thumb. So it's really nice to feel all those muscles along. You feel the erectors along the top there.
Good spot there. You just,
yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Went through it now, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
You can sense you coming up with some other stuff as well, so.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good. Good feedback.
Yeah. When you're on the table, you know if someone's onto your spots, onto your pains. Yeah, you know if they're missing the target. You also know if it's too overwhelming, you feel like it's damaging you. So you've got to be on the right pace, the right spots, the right angles, pressure.
Yeah. That's it. And I always encourage that my clients, you know, tell me what you're feeling, tell me if you want me to move up, down, left, right, what feels better, what feels right. If you want it to feel like a good pain. So just getting to the base of the skull here. I'm just gonna sink in a bit more into that corner.
Yeah.
That nook in there.
Yeah. Just at that bottom of your thumb or wherever it is
this
there.
side.
I can feel that's the real spot.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just that's
There?
Yeah. Down that line there, up into the skull and then down along.
Okay.
That's where
my
block is.
I'm just reinforcing that thumb a little there.
That's it.
Yeah. So you can see that thumb getting in there. Doing good, Ninj.
Yeah. Scoop the bastard out.
Yeah, that's what we want to do. Get that pressure in there, melt it away, and then get that out, send that out.
Oh yeah, that's it there.
Yeah.
Sore spot.
So again, reinforcing the thumb. Getting through these occipitals for Ninj. So a lot of people will get headaches. That will probably start in this area. And some people might feel it as well as we're releasing these areas. They might feel those referrals to those headache spots in their face, in the forehead. So all tension, headaches that we need to melt away these trigger points, melt away this tension.
Yeah.
So if you're experiencing any of that, book yourself in. Get a neck treatment. Otherwise all this stuff can kind of spread. It can tense up your jaw, it can tense up your shoulders, your traps. How you feeling, Ninj?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Alright.
When you got down lower, was it intense?
Yeah.
It's right up there, high and along that.
Got a bit easier.
Yeah.
I'm just going to get into another area that I think will be pretty beneficial for Ninja. We're just going to get more along the side.
Yeah, there, mate.
Good. So here I like to change my angles a bit as well. I'm just trying to direct this out, flush it away. Yep, just keep breathing in.
Yeah, it's good. Feels good. Yeah.
Good.
It's getting easier.
Good.
Yeah, the good spot is there.
Yeah, it's like tried to run away from me there.
Yeah.
So a lot of these areas are really ropey. You got to sometimes adjust your tool, adjust your thumb, not use like the pointy end of it. You want to use more of the padding to really flatten out so that you can change your angles as well with your thumb, and so that you're not losing those muscles too much. So otherwise they can flick away, which isn't the worst thing, but it's nice if you can get a little bit longer on them and pin them down and release them. Yeah. It's good, Ninja.
Good. Doing a good job, Tash.
Thanks, mate. Thank you. So I'm just getting a little bit to the front of the neck muscles as well. A bit of SCM here. Yeah, I like doing this. I like doing this seated sometimes as well, but it's kind of nice if the client's probably more relaxed when they're lying down like this. And you can just incorporate it into the neck treatment. How are you feeling with the front, Ninja?
Yeah, good.
It's okay.
I like how you can sense when I've got the tension and you just stop on it and hold things. Yeah, using the feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just what I need.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, hitting the right spots for a bit longer.
Yeah. That's what we do. We kind of tailor, don't we, to the person, not just one size fits all. It's not the way it works.
Exactly. You need to do that, otherwise you're not going to fix them.
Yeah. It's good there.
Yeah. Yeah, still hitting the front of the neck. Hitting down close to the scalenes. And this is going to really assist with that turn of head. So here it gets even more ropier, skinnier, thin little muscles and attachments, and that's kind of like a junction, isn't it? There's a lot going on, a lot of, even at the back of this area, there's your traps, your lev scap, there's a lot of things crossing paths here. So we really want to be a bit mindful that it might be a little bit more sensitive to the client. So we want to just keep checking in. But it's good this is a spot that probably gets a bit ignored. Want to get right up and under. How's this, Ninja?
Yeah, good.
It's alright?
Yeah.
I feel like it's not too bad in here.
No, it's not too bad.
Yeah. The thumb's really good for this area.
Yeah.
I've been getting close to a couple of the bones there.
Yeah, it feels therapeutic there.
Yeah.
Where it touches on there. It's where stress is.
Yep. Definitely. Just kind of lubricating that area, yeah?
Yep.
Getting some flow, getting some movement so that it's not stuck on the bone there. Just different angles around. Cool. That's why I love this job, because it makes us move around the whole time. You have to adjust your posture, you have to change it up all the time, which is really good. Keeps you moving. Alrighty. Sink out there. How you feeling, Ninja, okay?
Yeah, good.
Did you want to jump up and have a...
Yeah, test her out.
Yeah, retest. See how you feel. So show us the movement, let us know how it feels as well, if it feels any smoother or less pull.
Yeah, dramatic change, so
Yeah.
yeah, I can't even really feel any pull.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
It's more on this side now.
You can see that
Yeah.
pull here now
Yeah.
compared to the other side.
Yeah, that feels tighter.
Yeah. A bit nicer. That's
Yeah.
good. Awesome.
Yeah, so I'm fixed.
Good stuff. So yeah, guys, come in. If you've got any neck issues, pain, headaches, migraines, just come and see us and we'll fix up your neck. See you soon.
Done.